Hello dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn and write make sentences. So let's get started. Number 1. Dog. Dog is a pet animal. Number 2. Hat. This hat is my hat. Number 3. Pen. I write with a pen. Number 4. Doctor. Doctor treats sick people. Number 5. Car. We travel by car. Number 6. Park. I go to park with my parents. Number 7. Lotus. Lotus is a beautiful flower. Number 8. Yash. Yash is my friend. Number 9. Games. I play games with my friends. Number 10. Chair. This is a chair. Number 11. Sister. My sister's name is Neha. Thanks for watching students. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Bye bye.